Hi, I'm Pui, a stoma nurse from NUH. In this video, I will teach you the proper care required for this two-piece system which has a moldable wafer with a clipless closure back. It is called a two-piece system as the skin barrier, which is the moldable wafer, and the clipless closure back are kept separate. Your wafer needs to be changed once every 5 to 7 days or whenever leakage occurs, whichever is earlier. But your stoma bag needs to be changed daily. I will take you through the steps on how to change this two-piece system. Step 1. Wash your hands with soap and dry it with a clean towel before changing the bag to prevent infection. Step 2. Gather all the equipment required. Step 3. Gently remove the wafer by peeling from the top to the bottom with one hand pressing against the skin. Step 4. Dispose of the soiled bag. If you wish to reuse the bag, wash it with soap and water and let it dry before using the bag again. Step 5. Clean the stoma and surrounding skin with paper towel wet with tap water. Remember to clean off any bodily fluids, stools, and adhesive stains. Then use a fresh paper towel to dry the stoma and its surrounding skin. Be gentle when cleaning as your stoma can bleed easily. Do not apply any oil, cream, or powder around the stoma area unless recommended by your doctor or nurse. You should take this time to check the stoma and ensure that it's moist, red, and shiny. Please contact your stoma nurse if you experience bleeding at the stoma, rashes, or skin erosion on its surrounding skin. Step 6. Mold the wafer opening to make it about 3 mm larger than your stoma. Step 7. Apply moisturizer to the rim of wafer. Step 8. Remove the inner protective backing from the wafer. Step 9. Apply stoma paste or stoma ring evenly at the back of wafer, or you can apply the stoma ring around the stoma. Step 10. Apply the wafer over the stoma gently and ensure it sticks well to your skin and does not leak. Step 11. Remove the outer protective backing from the wafer. Step 12. Dust some stoma powder around the stoma. Step 13. Clip the bag to the wafer at 45 degrees for bed-bound patients or facing downwards for patients who can empty the bag themselves. Step 14. Fold up the outlet and press the interlocking closure together. Step 15. Turn the locked pocket outside in. Hide the tail inside the pocket. Step 16. Wash your hands with soap after you have changed the stoma bag. Next, we will run through the steps on how to empty your stoma bag. Step 1. Reverse the locked pocket to reveal the tail. Step 2. Unlock the interlocking closure by lifting at the corner and unraveling all the folds. Step 3. To make draining easier, open the tail end by pushing in both ends of the outlet and strips with your thumb and forefinger. Step 4. Position the opening of stoma bag facing downwards and then drain the stools into plastic bag or toilet bowl. Step 5. Clean the outlet with a wet paper towel, then fold back the outlet after dabbing it dry with a fresh paper towel. Step 6. Wash your hands with soap after you have emptied the stoma bag. Remember to empty your stoma bag once it is 1/3 full and before going to bed. Here are some tips to ensure your stoma is kept in good condition at all times. Do not pour water into the stoma bag for washing while attached on body. Bathe either with or without the stoma appliances attached to the body. Place a cushion to protect your stoma when wearing a seatbelt. When you are going out, it will be good to bring along some extra stoma appliances. We hope this video has been a useful guide on how to care for your two-piece system stoma bag. If you have any more questions regarding stoma care, do check out the videos or NUH website by clicking on the links in the description box below or talk to your healthcare provider. Thank you and goodbye.